Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about the Google tag, which we can set up on the Google Ads platform. So Google has gone ahead and created a separate section on the platform from where you can go ahead and set up your Google tag, which is useful for tracking our conversions through our Google Ads platform. So let's have a look at this, guys. So once we are on the Google Ads platform, we can go to the tools section where we can find Google tag over here. So from here, we can follow their instructions and we can set up the tag, which will help us to record our conversions or sales and leads which we are generating through our Google Ads advertising. So this is going to be the page, guys, where we can set it up. So it is now called the Google tag, which was earlier global site tag. So there are a couple of changes which Google has done with the tag, wherein they have introduced a codeless implementation of the tag as well, which is becoming very easy for even for people who are not so technically savvy. They can also go ahead and follow these steps and they can set up the code. So let's have a look at this. So if you go to installation instructions, there we will get the option. So now we can see that we can do this through our website builder or CMS tool, which we are using. So there are different platforms which are provided out here. So you can select the CMS tool or the website builder, which you have used for your website. And based on that, different steps will be provided. Like for example, SiteKit plugin is used for WordPress, where these are the steps which are provided to us and which you can now follow and you can set up the code yourself. You would not need to deal with the code at all. So this is a complete codeless implementation which Google has brought in out here. Otherwise, if you are fine with code implementation, you can easily go to install manually. And this is the code which we will have to copy and paste on our website. So that's the Google tag which we can implement here. Apart from that, you also get the manage automatic event detections, which is different types of events which we are creating. Those can be set up out here and we can track them as well. And then we can configure our domain. So the website for which you are setting up the Google tab, you can give that out here as well. And you can set up, you can configure your domains from here. Other than this, you also have data capabilities, which is so you can allow user provided data capabilities, which is possible from this particular section. So this is how a Google tag setup would look like from now onwards, which is making it very easy for anyone to set it up themselves without any help needed from web developer or any coding knowledge needed. I hope this makes sense. You understand now how to use this section and how you can set up your code, your conversion tracking code for your business on the Google Ads platform. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.